The Square Technologies spiral oven is an efficient, hygiene and safe spiral oven. The Square Technologies double spiral oven is more compact, takes up less space, and has a larger capacity range than the linear oven. Cooking process requires precise control on the temperature and humidity. The spiral oven is equipped with sensors to monitor the temperature and humidity in real time. The temperature and humidity variation can be controlled within plus or minus 1 degree Celsius and plus or minus 1%, respectively with PID control. The temperature and humidity of the two spiral can be controlled separately. In the spiral oven, the food is evenly heated by the air flows from all directions. The spiral oven combines vertical and horizontal airflow. The hot air is evenly distributed along the width of the belt. All these features ensure uniform coloration. Keep the spiral oven clean from the oil left by the food is important. The spiral oven has CIP system to completely wash and clean each spiral drum separately. The belt washer in the infeed can remove the oil and residues efficiently. Safety is the priority for the spiral oven operating at high temperature. Multiple safety measures are taken in the structure, design and electronic control to prevent the burn or crash injuries. Multiple emergency stops are provided to turn off the machine quickly in emergencies.